Start.
Yeah. Does that start?
Yes.
That's face. Oh
God, don't rape me.
Go for face.
Get in the ring.
Go for face. I will hit you in the face if you hit me in the face one more time.
Oh, it's getting serious. Okay, let's not come in my corner. I'm trying to.
Can I get in the ring? Come on, you were in the ring. I step like that, and you're like already out.
Get your ass in the ring. Okay, that's nuts. You hit him in the nuts like 3 times. It was vagina, but okay.
That was stomach. Was that not stomach? No.
That looked like nuts for me.
A couple of them were stomach.
Should I stop? Oh wait, we have 5 seconds left anyways. You got finish them off.